Hiking in London Club in southern England. The Dover and Folkestone walk is a must-do for any hiking enthusiast visiting southern England. This breathtaking coastal route offers a unique combination of stunning sea views, picturesque coastal towns, and historic landmarks. The walk stretches for over 20 miles, starting in the historic town of Dover and ending in Folkestone, taking you through some of the most beautiful and unspoiled landscapes in the country. The hike starts in Dover, a town steeped in history, famous for its white cliffs and the iconic Dover Castle. From here, the trail takes you along the coast, offering spectacular views of the English Channel and the famous white cliffs of Dover. You'll also have the opportunity to see the famous lighthouse, South Foreland, which has stood watch over the coast since 1843. As you walk, you'll pass by secluded beaches and charming fishing villages, such as St. Margaret's Bay and Kingsdown. As you make your way towards Folkestone, you'll come across the famous Martello Towers, a series of defensive fortifications built during the Napoleonic Wars. The towers offer a glimpse into the area's military history and provide a great spot for a picnic or rest. The walk ends in Folkestone, a charming seaside town known for its Victorian architecture and creative community. Here you can indulge in some delicious seafood, visit the local art galleries and museums, or simply relax on the beach. This hike is a true feast for the senses, with the fresh sea air, sound of the waves crashing against the cliffs, and the smell of the salt water. The route offers a mix of easy and moderate terrain, making it perfect for hikers of all levels. The Dover and Folkestone walk is a fantastic way to experience the beauty of southern England's coastline and discover the rich history of the area.
Bueno, sí.